मेरा नाम मनीष नौटियाल है। मैं मॉर्निंग इंडिया के सेल्स हेड हूँ। मॉर्निंग वैसे तो 100 साल पुरानी कंपनी है और इंडिया में 20 साल पुरानी है, बट खुद से मॉर्निंग 2021 में आई। उससे पहले इम्पोर्टर के थ्रू आती थी और इंडिया के हेडक्वार्टर्स हैदराबाद में है। ये मॉर्निंग कप है, बेसिकली फ्लैगशिप कंपटीशन है हमारा। ये ग्लोबली होता है। सो इसका मेन उद्देश्य है, देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर आप ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स, बारटेंडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स और भी देखेंगे, उसमें कोई एज लिमिट नहीं होती। तो जनरली क्या होता है, जितने एक्सपीरियंस बारटेंडर्स होते हैं जनरली वही वो कप्स जीत के जाते हैं। सो हमने यहाँ पे एज लिमिट रखी हुई है 27 ईयर्स की, जिसमें यंग बारटेंडर्स आएंगे। वो अपना बेसिकली करके दिखाएंगे क्या रेसिपीज़ है, क्या है। सो नए बारटेंडर्स को हम आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। सो ये ईस्ट राउंड है इंडिया। ये हमने इस साल का मॉर्निंग कप ईस्ट से चालू किया है। उसके बाद नॉर्थ, फिर साउथ, फिर वेस्ट, और फाइनल्स हैदराबाद में होंगे। और फिर जो इंडिया विनर होगा वो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा पेरिस में। जनरली जो लोग आए होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज करते हैं, जनरली उनका यही रहता है कि होटल्स में ही जॉब लगी। तो हम लोग मास्टर क्लासेस भी करते हैं। जितने बड़े IHMs, होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, बारटेंडिंग कॉलेजेस हैं, जहाँ पे हम लोग उनको ये बताते हैं कि खाली होटल्स में ही जाना एक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है। आप हमारी टीम में भी 70% लोग होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट से, बट वो सेल्स में है। उसके अलावा R&D है, QA में जा सकते हैं। सो एक बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है अपार्ट फ्रॉम गोइंग इनटू रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड होटल्स। तो ये भी हम लोग जनरली बच्चों को बताते हैं, फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को।
So my name is Sai Harish. I lead the marketing function for Monin India. So ये जो Monin Cup का जो event है, so this is a global competition that we do it once in 2 years. So in India, like basically we do it across 4 regions. So the East edition we are doing it in Kolkata. So what we do was basically we usually take all the recipes from the contestants through an online portal, and based on the recipe that they submit, we invite them to sort of compete in the competition. So today in Kolkata, there are 15 contestants who are competing for this competition in East. So we will pick the top three from each region, and they will compete in the national finale, which will happen in Hyderabad. And one contestant from India will represent India at the global finale, which will happen in France by end of this year in December. The criteria that we have was basically the maximum age of the contestant is 27 years old. So let's say suppose if he's having more than 27 years old, so we will not be able to sort of consider them, because if you look at Monin, we encourage young talent to sort of participate in this competition. And one more point was, so people can be working anywhere. Let's say suppose if you are working in a bar, he can sort of compete. If you are studying in a hospitality industry, he can compete. So anyone can compete. Just that the only criteria that we have was he should be the age should be 27 years old or lesser than that, not older than.
Hello everyone, my name is Sneha. I'm working with Bar Artisan and today I'm here to compete Monin Cup 2024. Thank you Monin for giving us this chance to represent our cocktail, mocktail and beverage industry. Monin has different flavors, so that can we make mocktails also, cocktails also. So yeah, it's fun, and thank you so much again Monin for giving us this opportunity to perform and present our creation.
So my name is Sai Harish. I lead the marketing function for Monin.
Myself Aniket. So today we are presenting the Monin Cup. It's a low for Mo. So we are participating over here. So it's a nice competition. So please, thank you.
Me too.
मीठू, आज क्या आपका कॉन्टेस्ट आप लोगों का?
आज कॉन्टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा था। मेरे को आज बहुत दिन को बाद एक कंपटीशन मिला है। मोरिन इज बिग कंपनी फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी मी एट द शोकेस माय स्किल। थैंक यू सो मच मोरिन।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम पुष्पा ताशी है। मैं अरुणाचल प्रदेश से हूँ। आज मैं ये मॉर्निंग कंपटीशन में आया हूँ। मैं माही को रेस्टोरेंट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ आज। धन्यवाद। आज हम लोग यहाँ मॉर्निंग का कंपटीशन था। ये लोकेशन AMPM में आज मॉर्निंग का कंपटीशन था।
मॉर्निंग कप है क्या, किस चीज़ के लिए मनाते
मॉर्निंग का रिसेंट मतलब अभी सुनने आया कि मॉर्निंग मतलब 2 साल में एक ही बार होता है। तो लाइक इट्स लाइक ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस, फॉर यंग बारटेंडर लाइक अस। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, मेरा नाम स्वप्ना है and I came here for Monin Come 2024. So I have participated in this competition for first time. So my experience till the time is that though we have experienced a lot of bartender with a different like they have got a lot experience, very versatile in their drinks. But here I can see a more of the alcoholic and non-alcoholic drink. Though I have presented my non-alcoholic drink, which was very, it doesn't have any alcohol, and it was supported to every age group of child, like a older person can have, a children can have, or any age or any group can have that. And though it is very verified from the housemaker, our mother who always work in kitchen, so it's a versatile cocktail and mocktail we are making. So all around the experience was superb. And
first of all, I'm very happy to see all new faces. I've been living in Calcutta for almost 2 years now, but I see the same repeated faces. But big ups to Monin for bringing up this championship, and I can see a lot of new faces. These are the guys who are the future of Govinda bartending, and you guys are the one going to take the Govinda bartending to newer heights. All the best, great cocktails, lovely afternoon. Looking forward to the second round now. Cheers to all of you.
Okay, sir, on a lighter note, was your outfit also planned, because the print on your t-shirt slightly represents
Today is the first day I'm not endorsing any alcohol as per my product guidelines. I'm only looking at for low beverage drinks, so that's our plan for it.
Really nice to see a lot of people putting an effort to think about the creativity, to think about the specific recipes according to the guidelines what was given to them, putting an effort and doing it on the stage in front of the camera. And cheers to the people who are doing it for the first time. Like, that's why you're standing there in front of the camera. That's why you're standing there. You are performing. And trust me, when you're in the bar, when you're inside the bar, you're already on a stage. Whatever happens, you have to smile and perform. You are the actors behind the bar. You have to perform. The smile should be there, the positiveness should be there, whatever happens.
announcing the names. We get up there, you all get relaxed. Okay, let's do it together. Come on, everybody, a big cheer to Monin Cup 2024. Make some noise! Alright, thank you so much. And I want to ask you members, how was the first round? What do you have to tell about it?
Great talent, and it's a great platform for everyone. It's not only coming and performing, it's you are representing they're representing their own bar and their culture for the bar, and their every drinks was reflecting their their image to it. So there's not many things to look at it. It was a great afternoon.
Started with Sumam. The name of your drink is Achari Falnam.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shwam. I am representing Bombastic Summer Club. My cocktail name is Achari Falnam. Yes, low is more cocktail. Is this part. First ingredients is homemade achar, curry leaves, and mango puree. 1 tablespoon. This Falnam, my syrup, my favorite. Falnam is a story. 18th century Falnam liqueur in Colombia. The taste is almond, ginger, and cloves and lime. The 20th century Monin alcohol को हटा के Monin का syrup में लेके आया. Just हर cocktail में use होता है, मैं mocktail में use करने के लिए. So this अच्छा लगा तो इसलिए मैं use किया Monin. This Monin is Falnam syrup.